Hello, heart lovers. Today I bring you something a little bit different, quieter, more relaxed, and almost nostalgic. I was commissioned to paint the watercolor of a family home, a place soon to be gone, but never forgotten. Houses are never just walls and roofs. They hold laughter and the rhythm of footsteps, the scent of kitchens and gardens, memories that linger even when the place itself fades away. As the writer Margaret Elizabeth Sangster once said, "There's nothing half so pleasant as coming home again." And I think this painting is really about that feeling, keeping home alive on paper. When I work on commissions such this, I pay close attention to the tiniest details. The flowers by the gate, the ivy on the wall, even the cracks that tell a story of time. Capturing them requires open eyes, patience, and sometimes even taking photographs in nature, walks, so I can bring that authenticity back into the studio. In watercolor, each brush stroke adds a layer of these kind of memories. First, the broad washes that give atmosphere, and then the delicate lines that recall intimacy. Every corner of the house slowly emerges, a fragile treasure preserved before it disappears, I hope. I hope this slower and more reflective video brought you a sense of calm. So if you like to see more of these watercolor journeys, please subscribe and leave a like and a comment. It really helps me to share more stories like this one. See you in the next painting.